Hello everyone. The 2025 Honda Accord continues to set the standard for midsize sedans, offering a blend of comfort, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Designed with both practicality and style in mind, the new Accord is a refined package that caters to families, commuters, and driving enthusiasts alike. From its sleek exterior to its well-equipped interior, this sedan remains a top contender in its class. The exterior design of the 2025 Accord reflects a modern and sporty aesthetic. Its streamlined body features clean lines, a bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights that add to its sophisticated presence on the road. The sculpted side panels and alloy wheel options further enhance its dynamic profile, while the rear design incorporates sleek taillights and a clean bumper finish. Honda has clearly emphasized style without compromising aerodynamics, ensuring both visual appeal and improved efficiency. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Accord impresses with its spacious and upscale interior. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and well-crafted finishes create a premium feel. Passengers will enjoy generous legroom and headroom, with ample space for both front and rear occupants. The seats are designed for long-lasting comfort and are available in options such as leather upholstery, heating, and ventilation. The rear seats fold down to expand cargo space, providing flexibility for transporting larger items. The overall cabin layout is intuitive, with easy-to-access controls and a focus on driver convenience. Honda has prioritized technology in the new Accord, equipping it with advanced features to improve connectivity, entertainment, and safety. The centerpiece is a large touchscreen display that supports smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims offer wireless charging, a premium audio system, and built-in navigation for added convenience. Digital instrumentation and voice-activated controls make it easier than ever to access important information without distractions. The Honda Sensing suite of safety features comes standard, offering driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work together to enhance safety and confidence on every journey. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Accord delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. It offers a choice between a turbocharged gasoline engine and a hybrid powertrain, giving buyers options to suit their driving preferences. The turbocharged 1.5-liter engine provides ample acceleration for daily driving, while the hybrid variant focuses on fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Both setups are paired with a smooth continuously variable transmission for a refined driving experience. Honda's engineering ensures responsive handling and a comfortable ride, making the Accord a joy to drive whether on highways or city streets. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Accord's strong points, with the hybrid model offering impressive mileage ratings that make it a great choice for eco-conscious buyers. Honda has also optimized the suspension and steering to deliver a well-balanced ride, combining comfort with sporty dynamics. Noise insulation has been improved, ensuring a quieter cabin experience during long drives. With its thoughtful combination of style, comfort, performance, and technology, the 2025 Honda Accord continues to raise the bar for midsize sedans. Its modern design, innovative features, and proven reliability make it a standout option in a competitive segment. Whether you're looking for a family car or a dependable daily driver, the new Accord is designed to meet a wide range of needs. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more reviews, features, and updates on the latest cars.